Philadelphia to travel all across from the East Coast to the West Coast. It takes about 5 hours.
Dollar Airborne with a special welcome code from Terminal the late discounted. Go out, all you can fly back to Mastercard members. Your business and loyalty are appreciated. Hello, KFC from here. If you're not a car member, we have an exclusive offer for you later in flight. Because to travel your safety, it's important to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is turned on. While seated, please make sure that your seatbelt is fastened even if the sign is off.